Okay, how's it, y'all? Reek and Bagger here. A little update on the Road Glide. As you can see, we've changed a little bit. So I'm now on a center stand. If you can see that there, WheelDock.com makes a center stand for the Road Glide, and I absolutely freaking love it. Another big change that has been made is Custom Dynamics. We got their new Baja style headlights that are DOT approved. Freaking love those. Nice clean cutoff line at night. The brights are super bright and it's DOT approved. Not sure if you can see right there. There's your DOT approval. It says Custom Dynamics. These things look great. Wanted the other brand, but due to the troubles that the representative of that company is in and the fact that it's a lot more money, I went with these instead, and have been trying to wait on something that awesome to hit the market, and they did. So I freaking love it. There's that center stand, and yeah, I still have the kickstand as well, but that center stand is a game changer. But there's you some updates for the Road Glide right now. I'll make a better video later of the lights and everything. Here's a little taste. It's in gear. Out. The low beams. That's the high beams. They look awesome. Alright, so there you go, fellas. Better video coming later. Hope you enjoy. Stay safe. See ya.